Cheers. So for our craft project to go along with the theme of April Fool's Day, we're going to make this. We're going to make a funny glasses, quote unquote, disguise with popsicle sticks and clay. All right, so let's get to it. So the first thing first is you need popsicle sticks. Now you can paint your popsicle sticks beforehand if you want them to be a certain color. I just went with the regular popsicle sticks because Mr. Mush is always short on time. All right, so you're gonna need 4 popsicle sticks to make this. All right, to make the frame of the glasses, you're gonna need 2 for one and 2 for the other. All right, then you're gonna need to cut a little piece for the bridge of the glasses. All right, and then you're gonna need 2 more for the arms of the glasses so you can actually wear them. All right, so when you have your 4 pieces of popsicle sticks, it's always a good idea to draw a line where you think halfway is. You can measure it with a ruler, you can eyeball it, because even if you don't get it perfect, okay, it's still gonna look funny because it's April Fool's Day. Like, I think I went a little too high, so I'm gonna move it down a little bit. And then I'm taking my scissors and I cut it in half like this. And I don't go all the way through because then I can break it off and then they don't go flying everywhere. All right, so that's what you need to do. You cut them up, make 4 little pieces like this. All right, and then I have an extra one here, okay? And then we glue them together, all right? When you glue them together, you want 2 to go down like this, and you want this side where it's flat to be on the side where you're gonna attach these. So you're gonna need to do it the opposite way on each side. Because like if you look on this, I know that this is flat. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's flat right there, so I'm gonna put it right there. All right, so I'm gonna take hot glue. Now always remember, when we use hot glue, all right, you need an adult's help, okay? Now you could do this project with regular glue, okay? But I would highly recommend hot glue so they don't fall apart easily, all right? So as you can see, I'm taking the rounded sides and I'm sticking them in towards the bridge. That's a good way to remember it. These should point to the bridge when you're assembling them. So I'm gonna finish this one, okay, just like that. Okay, and just to remind myself, there we go, pointing in to the bridge of the nose like that. Okay, next, I'm going to add the bridge. So I'm gonna put that on top. You really wanna make sure they're as straight as possible and make sure you give a little bit of space so that it can rest on your nose. Put a little hot glue. Again, remember when using hot glue, we need to ask a grown-up at home for their help. Okay, just like that. And even if it doesn't come out straight, it's still gonna be funny because if it looks crooked, it could be funny because it's for April Fool's Day. They're not real glasses, all right? All right, next, we're gonna go to these flat spots right here, put a little hot glue. Now, if you do use regular glue, I would use regular glue for the bridge and assembling the frames, but definitely use hot glue here, okay? Because you're gonna wear these as your disguise, okay? And hot glue will help it stick together better than regular glue, so they won't fall apart. I can promise you, if you do regular glue on the arms of the frames, then it will fall apart very quickly. All right, so there's the arms of my glasses. So the glasses part is already done. And then the nose is really simple. Just take some clay, make like a rounded triangle shape for the nose, stick it on underneath like this, okay? I mean, you can make it more rounded, like make a cup, but I think this is the best way to do it, all right? And if you just smush it down onto the popsicle sticks, it will stay, okay? Just like that, okay? And then I'm gonna take a little bit of black, roll a coil, smush it down. And I mean, like, you can design your mustache. Like, maybe this one, I'll give it, like, a little pinch and a twist. Like this. So it's like a fancy disguise. Okay? And then I put it on under the nose, like that. And then I smush the clay together. And there you go. There is our funny disguise. All right. So, with that being said, I would love to see your funny disguises. Take a picture of it, send it into MrMushMakes.com. Go to the website, upload your picture. It'll come to me. And I would love to share your artwork with the world. Okay? And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Remember, we're a new channel. We want to keep helping you make art projects and share your art with the world. So do us a big favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It doesn't take a lot of time, but it really helps us out in the long run, and we really appreciate it here. All right? All right, with that being said, I'll see you next time.